In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily post voice note on WhatsApp status. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp app and then go to starters. After that, tap at that pencil icon, as you usually do to create your text starters. And then all we have to do in order to post a voice note is just long press at that microphone icon. We can just tap on it and hold our finger to record a voice note. Once you've done with recording, we have to lift off our finger. After that, we can tap it and hold our play icon to check our voice recording. Also, we can change the background color for that status. And once we've done with that, we can just tap at that button to send it. Or we can tap at trash button to remove it. That's how you can easily post voice note on WhatsApp status.